Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add motion blur in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut, then tap New Project. Select photos or videos you want to use. Then tap Add in the bottom right. Then delete the CapCut outro at the end of it's added automatically. And here, shorten the photos. And after that, tap the export icon at the top right, save your current project as a video. Then after exporting the video, start another new project. Import the video you just exported. Then tap on the video clip to select it. Scroll along the bottom toolbar until you find motion blur. Tap on it. Then adjust the blur and blend sliders to your liking. Tap the check mark and wait for it to render. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.